I joined the military in December of 1985, and we got in and stayed in for 6 years and got out. And then I realized how much I missed it after I got out and joined back up. Went to Iraq in 2003, 2004. The first day that we were there, I mean, there were mortars hitting left and right, and everybody was freaking out and running for cover and stuff. And then probably a week into our tour, it was like, okay, there's another one. You know, it was no big deal because we'd become so immune to it that we didn't make it such a big deal anymore. And after you get back home to the United States, you don't take things so for granted like you did before. And I think that's definitely carried over into my civilian job too. I started with Samsung in December 11th, 2017, almost 2 years now. I'm over in the picking team, which our job is to make sure that everything gets picked and shipped over to the production line so that we don't shut anything down. It's a challenge every day. I'm the type of person, if I got bored with a job, would probably be looking for another job. I think they do a great job of appreciating the vets that they have, and I think they actually look for that in an application or a resume. They know that when they bring a vet on board, they're bringing not just say technical skills, but they bring a lot more to the table. The soft skills, the leadership skills and stuff like that you just can't really teach that in any kind of college. I mean, it's a lifestyle.